Okay. I jump muna daw. I jump. Dua.
Pero may camera nito.
First, from Las Vegas, shooting guard, wearing jersey number 13, Nathan Laro. Walang pa naman yan, man-to-man yan. From Ulumpatan Negros Occidental, power forward, wearing jersey number 9, Clayton Arquisola. And their backup point guard from San Jose, Bulacan, wearing jersey number 23, Nico Pabian. From Talisay City, Negros Occidental, another power forward, the veterans, wearing jersey number 1, Mark Papa. Their backup center from Santa Rita, Pampanga, wearing jersey number 21, Ken Gomez. Their starting center, the veterans from Leganes, Iloilo, wearing jersey number 72, Rance Verago. This year's candidate for Medical Five from Cataloan, Samar, shooting forward, wearing jersey number 22, Mamon Rotasio. And another shooting guard from Baras Rizal, wearing jersey number 8, their backup guard, Giamana Jr. Next, their starting shooting forward from Mandaluyong City, wearing jersey number 11, Jazz Casina. Next is their high-flying point guard from Quinto Bulacan, wearing jersey number 10, Marlon Oliano. And this year's candidate for MVP is the pride of La Union, shooting guard, wearing jersey number 16, Carlos Gabal. And this year's defensive players from Las Piñas, point guard, wearing jersey number 10, former MVP J.M. Pelayo. And last but not the least, from San Jorge, Samar, power forward is strong but terrible, wearing jersey number 22, Lepino Bisnal. And the team owner from Sagay Negros Occidental, Sergeant Dueñas. And their team consultant, Coach Hansel Almeida. And their coach, Coach Junjun Servo. Give it up for your idol basketball. And now, let's meet the challenger from Abu Dhabi, Dewan Racing. First is the pride of Lucena City, Angel Aguilar. Next is their shooting forward from Tagaytay City, Steven Destura. Next is their backup point guard from Bacoor City, Kenneth Salazar. Their defensive forward from Rojas Capiz, J.L. Eugenio. Next is their backup center from Porac, Pampanga, John Louis Castro. Next is a pride of Bawan Batangas, another backup center, Brian Marasiga. Next is a pride of Rosales Pangasinan, the trigger man, Alan Nakpi. Next is a pride of Caloocan City, DJ Next is their starting shooting guard from General Santos City, Kenny Joseph Bragado. And their captain ball, another forward from General Santos City, his brother, Kevin Chola, Big Boy Bragado. And last but not the least, is the pride of Mexico City, Pampanga, Darren Gala. And one training coach is from Lumao, Pampanga, Coach JB. And your head coach from City of San Fernando, Coach Diego Loyola. Tingnan natin ang game number 2. Bakbakan na. Okay.
Okay, magandang gabi sa ating lahat, players and sa mga ating mga audience. Ito na naman, sa magandang laban naman ang mapapanood natin sa gabi ito. Basta guys, masasabi ko lang, bukas may trabaho tayo. Ingatan natin ang ating sarili. Ilayo natin ang ating malayo tayo sa mga anumang aksidente o injury. Dahil alam naman natin, may trabaho tayo para sa pamilya natin. Tayo mga OFW, inaasahan tayo sa Pilipinas. Basta, iwasan lang natin yung mga aksidente o ma-aksidente tayo. Yun lang naman ang hinihiling ko. At ibigay natin ang magandang laban sa mga sumusuporta sa inyo. Lalo na sa ngayong gabi ito. At palakpakan natin ang ating mga managers at ating mga sponsor na sumusuporta sa inyo guys. Okay, bakbakan na! Tama na tayo guys, and then group picture. Guys, dito tayo harap, dito yung eye jump, sa kanan ng eye jump. Harap tayo rito, harap. Dito tayo, dito. Para mapag-start na tayo.
Eto, walang kukurap sa laban na to. Simula hanggang muli, bakbakan talaga yan. Abu Dhabi versus Dubai. seventh inning. Game number 2, magbakan na.
Kung mananalo ang Abu Dhabi, home court tayo sa Gate 3 doon sa Abu Dhabi.
Ayan na. Ayan. Sigurado na. Pag may game number 3, Abu Dhabi tayo. Ayan ang pressure. Nasa Aidan. Sinong captain ball mo?
Black to black.
Sino yung captain ball mo?
Kevin! Baka doon kay Madam meron. Hindi nagdala ng charger. Sino kanina yung one? Yung... Rosas sa casino.
Halos pantay-pantay na yung iba.
Sino?
Siyempre, gusto na. Si Protasio yung nagpa-free throw.
Alright. Ito, magandang laban to. Pag manalo yung One Trading Matic, home court nila sa Game 3. Kaya bibigyan yan sigurado ng magandang laban ng I-Jump. And this is the most awaited game for this week. The second game of finals para sa sino.
Mamamatay ito. Paano ito? Hindi din pwedeng... Ay, hindi. Patayin ko lang yung wifi. Patayin ko lang yung wifi. Para wala masyadong papasok na mga. Sinidilig to, diba? Tambak yung first game ba? Hindi. Maganda laban, first game.
Right, good luck, both teams! Paalala ko,
Isang bola natin. Isang bola natin.
pag manalo yung One Trading, home court nila tayo sa Game 3, Abu Dhabi. This is the most awaited game for this week, the finals. Game 2 finals for the CBD League between I-Jump and One Trading.
Nakapans ka ba dyan? Sa'yo? Nakapans ka? Pwede magsabi mo. Pinupinigat na.
First five, up the center. Magkakaalaman na. Babawi ba kaya yung One Trading this time? Oh, talagang tatapusin na ng I-Jump. Once again, pag manalo yung One Trading, di pa tayo sa home court nila for Game 3. Doon tayo sa Abu Dhabi. Jump ball between number 15 and number 72, Barrio.
Pragaleos aja? Pragados.
Ragados and Barranco. Ball goes to One Trading para sa first possession. Ragados for 3. Then 3 points, Ragados. Bisnar to Barangco. Back to Bisnar. Lays it in. Miss the layup. Here comes Aguila. We have a call. It's a traveling. He stepped one step backward. This is his pivot foot. Kaya nag-travel siya. Bisnar. Long two. Bang! 2 points. Bisnar. Ragados, guarded by Shubal. Ragados to his brother. 10 to shoot. 2 points. Number Destroya. Destroya, di ba? Hindi. Destroya. Ito. Bisnar. Three! Tabla tayo sa 5 points. Here comes One Trading. Abu Dhabi One Trading. Ragados powering his way. And one. Foul, jersey number 72 Barangco. First personal foul. First in foul. Bonus free throw will be given to number 15, Ragados of One Trading, Abu Dhabi. Barangco. He connects for the bonus. Habana. That's the ball. To Bisnar. Bisnar fakes. To Habana. Back to Bisnar. And a steal. We have a call. It's a kick ball now, sabi ni Red. 14 to shoot. Collado. To Habana. 10 to shoot. Habana lays up. Miss. 5. Shubal. Bars. Bang! We have a tie. Ball game at 8. Second time to tie the ball game. Number 13 sa ilalim. 2 points. Number 13. Collado has the ball. Collado to Bisnar. Bisnar creating a play. To Habana. Tries a long one. Bang! 3 points. Habana. Lumawang na this time yung I-jump. Distoria, along 3, wala. Rebound by Bisnar. Here comes team I-jump. Bisnar to Shubal. Shubal at 3. Miss. Nice rebound. Ni Ragados. Aguila to Ragados. Ragados. Kick out to his brother. Almost losing the ball. 10 to shoot. Destroya, miss the layup. We have a foul. May foul na po tayo, mga sir. Foul number 8.
Warning, Kevin Fragado, second motion. Para wala nang ano yan.
Foul number 8 of I-jump. Warning, Fragados for second motion. Foul kayo, tapos warning si Fragados. Battle for rebound, nakuha ng 1, Abu Dhabi Trading. And a steal. And we have a call, may tawag na po tayo. Foul, jersey number 10, blocking foul. Same ball, 14 to shoot. Collado, first personal foul. Second team foul para sa I-jump. Fragados to number Istura. We have a call. Foul number 10, second personal foul third of the team. Sorry, fourth team foul. Aguila. 10 to shoot. Tragados, muscling his way. He missed the shot. Rebound by Barranco. Here comes Team Ajam. Bislar fakes. Fires. He missed the layup. Here comes one trading Abu Dhabi. Tragados almost loses the handle. But he control it. And a steal by Shubal. Here comes Ajam. Collado loses the handle. What a fake from Galang. 12 against 11. Habana has the ball. Habana to Bisnar. Bisnar to Shubal. Shubal tries a long one. Game! Time out! One trading. Port na. Back to the ball game for the Charge. Timeout. Our score is 14 against 12. And this is game 2 finals. And Ajam pass the lead, and we have a call. It's a line violation. 5 minutes, I think, first quarter. Shubal to Bisnar. Bisnar to Shubal. To Casitas, and we have a call. Foul on jersey. Number 13 second personal foul, second team foul para sa one trading. Shubal to Bisnar. Bisnar drives. Habana fakes. 10 to shoot. Habana fires. 2 points. Habana. 16 against 12. It's a 4-point lead. 4 minutes 34 seconds. Galang rather. 10 to shoot. Rebound by Casitas. Here comes Casitas, and we have a call. It's a carrying and double dribble tayo para sa Team I-Jump. Committed by Casitas. 4 minutes 14 seconds. Tragados to Aguila. Aguila to Tragados. Tries a long one. He missed it. Alang to put it up. 2 points. Alang. 16-14. Habana has the ball. Habana. Almost a steal. Casitas lays it in. He missed. Here comes one trading Abu Dhabi. Aguila, nilipad. A nice defense para kay Bisnar. Tragados. We have a call. Traveling violation. Subrep. 3 minutes 33 seconds. (16-14), dalawa lang yan. Bisnar, stop and pop, malakas. Here comes Halang. Galang, guarded by Shubal. Almost a steal. Sabrep. Tuck in, Pilayo. Habana out, Pilayo in. Eugenio Ina, 3 minutes 16 seconds. Almost a steal. They completed the steal. Here comes Shubal. It's 3 against 2. Shubal stop and pop miss. Rebound goes to team 1 trading. Galang has the ball. Galang, we have a call. Foul on jersey number 22. Blocking foul. 2 free throws will be given. Sabrep. Penalty na high jump. Bislar, first personal foul. Tawagin mo na, Dol. Tawagin mo na. Bragados out. 2 free throws will be given to jersey number 4, Galang. He makes the first. 16-15. What a very close game. First quarter pa lang, ang init na ng laban. Ang ganda palitan lang ng score. Grabe. Ito yung championship. He missed the second. Rebound by Casitas. Here comes Pilayo for Team iJump. Pilayo to Casitas. Casitas to Shubal. Shubal tries a long one. Miss. Rebound by Gomes yan, di ba? Gomes. Casitas. And we have a call. Wait mo na, Dol. Wait. Foul on jersey number 4. Aking foul. Sabrep. First personal foul, jersey number 4, third team foul para sa 1 Trading Abu Dhabi. 2 free throws will be given to jersey number 11 of team iJump Casitas. 2 minutes 45 seconds for our first quarter. This is our second game for game 2 for finals ng D-League. D-League na to? Semi-D-League. Semi-D-League 2-2 para kay Casitas. Bragados. Aguila. Bragados sa ilalim. Naharas. Almost a steal. Now they completed the steal. Here comes the iJump. Pilayo. Confrontasio. And a steal. Here comes Galang. And we have a foul. Foul on jersey number 22. Sabrep. Bisnar, it's your second personal foul. Penalty para sa iJump. Two free throws will be given to Salazar. He missed the first. 18 against 15 in favor of team iJump. Last free throw para kay Salazar. Split charity. Binabasa dalawa. Here comes Protasio. Papa. Ay, na 3 seconds violation. Sabrep. Aguila out. Nakpil in. Here comes team 1 Trading. Galang. Cross pass to Salazar. 10 to shoot. Ryan, wala. Nakuha ni Papa yung bola. Here comes 1. iJump. Papa, miss the shot. Battle for rebound. It will go same ball, 14 to shoot. Oops! Correctable error naman yan. Bola tayo ng 1 Trading. 1 minute 36 seconds. 18 against 16. Dalawa lang lamang ng iJump. This is the second game for the finals. Game 2 po ng finals. CBD League dito lang sa Jasville. 10 to shoot. Galang long 2. Miss. One minute 13 seconds. 18 against 16. 2-point lead for team iJump. Protasio to Casitas. Casitas, stop and pop, miss. Rebound by Papa. 10 to shoot. Protasio, 5. What a pass! What a nice defense. Here comes Salazar. Easy layup. He missed. Protasio as the ball. Tocasitas tries a long one. Missed. 33 seconds. We have a 9 seconds differential with the shot clock and the game clock. To shoot. Salazar, 3. 15 seconds. 10. Papa. 5. We have a foul. Foul, jersey number 11, penalty rep, high jump penalty. Casitas. First.
Rosas, 22 points. 22.
2 free throws will be given to Jersey. 22 rather, Eugenio. He missed the first. 1.3. He missed the free throw, so we have the ball. Foul number 72, pushing foul. And that's it for our first quarter. We have a close fight para sa game 2 ng finals 17 dito sa Jaspil, 19 against 80 in favor of World Trading. Grabe, first quarter pa lang ang ganda ng nawan. Casitas, wala! Rebound Galang, lazy net, he missed. Battle to rebound, here comes Steve Ivan. Pilayo, bars, miss. Anong tawagin? Technical foul, jersey number 1, foul. He makes the technical free throws. Pasok, sub. Just out, Shubal in. 9 minutes 35 seconds ating second quarter. Here comes World Trading Abu Dhabi. Ganda na laban. Ito, kaya pinawabang ng final football team ito. Napakaganda. Fernando Carlos.
Pilayo. Laman na ulit ang Idol. Galang, tries on one. Bang! Basket count. Foul number one, Papa pushing foul. Sabek. Thrower pala, sorry. Thrower.
Dalawa na yan, ha?
Papa, second personal foul.
Pagpapasok doon, pwede ka mag-shot, ha?
Bonus free throw for Galang. He missed the bonus. From Bisnal, that's all. Tries on one, miss, patong pa rebound. Napunta kay Pilayo. Pilayo takes, and he has a goal. Foul jersey number Number 7. Ryan. First personal foul. First team foul. 1 2 free throws will be given to jersey number 17 of Team Idol, Pilayo. He is the first. Speak that para kay Pilayo. 22-21. A 1-point lead. What a ball game. We have a close fight right here, guys. Game 2, proximity league finals. The dream for that team. The trigger man of UAE. Gomez. Pass to Bisnal. Protasio, underneath, what a pass! From Protasio to Pilayo. 25-23. Aguila. Nakpil tries another one, 3 points. Nakpil. 28-23 is a 5-point lead. Ang ganda ng pasa. Ay! Bisnal news na layout.
Ano tayo takto?
Braganos, drive, fires, miss, rebound is by the Sri Salazar, pinulong kay Braganos, Team Idol. This is game 2 for finals semifinal. He was in the steal. Gomez, Paulsen, Mars, he makes the shot, rebound by Nakpil. Here comes Aguila. Aguila to Nakpil, back to Aguila. To Salazar. Salazar drives, Mars, makes the shot. Patong for rebound, here comes Bisnal. Bisnal to Pilayo. Pilayo makes the shot. Granados ang salon. Granados, number 13. He is the shot. Pilayo. And another turnover for Idol. Nakpil to Aguila. 2 points, Aguila.
5 seconds. Bistar, Sumal. Hesitating, Pars, miss. Rebound by Aguila. Aguila to Regalos. Back to Aguila. Aguila to Salazar. Salazar tries a long one. He miss. Back to rebound. Napunta ulit sa 120. Regalos. He miss siya. And seen another turnover. That's a high jump. Aguila to Lakpin. Bang! 3 points. Lakpin. 35-23 sa Clubman lead para sa 1-3 Abu Dhabi. Here comes Bistar. Cardio Regalos. Bistar Mohamed. Miss. Marimar Regalos. Here comes Sandra. Lakpin! In out! That's next time. And that's Shinway Aguila. Aguila to Salazar. Fakes. Fires. Miss. Rebound by Protasio. Protasio powering his way. Miss shot. Here comes Aguila. He gets a shot. Here comes Bistar. Oh, he had a foul. Foul on jersey 9. Pushing down. Second personal foul. Sorry, first personal foul. Second team foul.
Question! Question! What? Good!
Ready? 14 10 clock. Good.
One pass and a steal. Another turnover. That's a high jump. Here comes Curiano. Almost misses the handle. Curiano to Subal. Subal, take a 3. Bang! 3 points. Subal.
Question! Good! 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 Question! Basket time out, ha?
And we have a call. Offensive foul, jersey number 15, Regalos. First personal foul, third team foul, 1 rating. 35-26, it's a 9-point lead. Big winner. 1 rating and an high jump. This now, starting to Regalos. This now drives, kick out, 10 to shoot. Subal on 3, in and out. Rebound by Pistoria. Pistoria. Boy, what a move! Step back, makes the shot. 5 to shoot. There's a call. Foul jersey number 72, pushing foul, Barako. Second personal foul, third of the team. Pistoria. 10 to shoot. Curiano to Subal. Subal to Barako. Basket down, foul jersey number 21.
First personal foul, warning for penalty. 1-3. 3 minutes, 11 seconds. Seven. 35 plus 29. 3 minutes, 11 seconds. Second quarter. And this is game 2 finals. Sinilig, dito sa Spiel. Gandang laban. Bragados turns. And we have a foul. Foul on jersey number 10. Laging foul. Third personal foul, jersey number 10. Warning for penalty.
Alright, back to the ball game. 2 minutes 56 seconds. Salazar tries a long one, miss. Here comes Sabana. Pass to Pilayo, too strong. Salazar has the ball. Pass to Bragados. Bragados to Aguila. Aguila back to Salazar for 3. Bang! 3 points. Salazar. 38-29. It's a 9-point lead for One Trading Abu Dhabi. Barranco has the ball. Pass to Bisnag. Bisnag. Shubal for 3. Missed. Habana, we have a call. Foul on jersey number 11, Salazar, penalty. Salazar, first personal foul. One Trading on team penalty. 2 minutes, 12 seconds sa ating second quarter, and this is Game 2 Finals sa Simidilig. Dito lang sa Jaspil. Habana makes the first. Zagreb 38-31. It's a 7-point lead. 2 minutes 12 seconds. Both teams sige isang timeout para sa ating first half. Galang. So we have a call. Players, go to your bench. Players. Coach, paki-assist sa mga players yun. Players, go to the bench.
First, basic foul. 51. Number 72, technical. Number 51, double technical.
Okay, number 51 for One Trading, offensive foul is your second personal foul, and a technical foul for jersey number 51 of One Trading and number 72 of iJump. Offensive. Offensive daw, offensive. Pareho, double technical. Okay lang. Okay lang. Matik naman pag magpa-foul penalty. Bisnar loses the handles. 1 minute 56 seconds. (38-31), napakagandang laban ng Game 2 natin dito sa ASMA Simidilig. Number 51 misses the shot. Number 51 ulit, Umararo, wala pa rin. Here comes Sabana to Pilayo. Pilayo to Bisnar. 2 points, Bisnar. 38-33. 1 minute 30 seconds. Galang has the ball. Galang guarded by Shubal. Galang almost a steal. 10 to shoot. Pragados drives. Fires. He missed. Rebound by Castro. Pragados for 3. In and out. And we have a call. We have another foul. Foul jersey number 51. Pushing foul. Penalty rep. Penalty. Tatlo ka na, Castro. Number 51, it's your third personal foul. Sama. Isang foul, isang technical sa ngayon. Bisnar, he makes the first. Napakagandang laban. Time out basket, boss. Boss, time out basket. 1 minute 2 seconds ating second quarter. Reserve timeout. Two for two, timeout. Team 1 trading. Grabe, napakagandang laban. 1 minute 2 seconds sa ating second quarter. Our score 38-35. Lamang ng 3 points and 1 trading. And ahead ng 1 win ang I-Jump dito. Back to the ball game for the Charge. Time out. Both teams are on the penalty. I-Jump, you have still 1 timeout for the first quarter. 1 trading, wala na po kayong timeout. Aguila has the ball, guarded by Habana. Aguila, crossover, almost loses the handle. 10 to shoot. Salazar fakes. Pragados for 3! 41-35. Tinanong kinainan. Bisnar. Same ball. Timeout. Timeout. I-Jump.
Nakasot kanina. Naka 21 no?
14. 14 shot clock. Hindi, maganda kasi hindi ko nakikita dito eh. Baka kasi ibabaser ko, nabigay na. Kaya nga tinanong ko siya kung magta-time out. We have 24 seconds remaining for the second quarter. And this is game 2 finals. Simidilig dito sa Jasbil. 41-35. 1 trading ahead by 6 points. (14 to shoot. Habana fakes. 10. 20 seconds. Sabrep. Both teams are in the penalty. Here comes Nakpil, guarded by Bisnar. 15. 10. Salazar, guarded by Pelayo. 5. And that's it for our second quarter. Our score 41 against 35. Again, this is Game 2, Final Semidilig dito sa Jaspil. Pagkagandang laban po. Malalaman natin kung dadalhin. Napakagandang laban. Malalaman natin kung dadalhin ba ng one trading yung Game 3 sa Abu Dhabi kung mananalo sila sa Game 2 na to or tatapusin na ng high jump. And that's it! Back to the ball game! Tama na yan. Bola tayo ng high jump for our third quarter. 41-35. It's a 6-point lead for one trading Abu Dhabi. And high jump is ahead for one win para sa ating finals na to. They won the first game. Here comes Protasio. To Bisnar. We have a call. May foul na tayo. Foul on jersey number 21. Pragados holding foul. Second personal foul and first of the team. Pelayo to Bisnar. Bisnar long two, miss. Tapikan. Here comes one trading. Aguila has the ball. Guarded by Pelayo. To Salazar, fakes. To Galang rather. 10 to shoot. Fragados. Same ball. 8 seconds to shoot. 8 to shoot. He missed the shot. Here comes Shubal. Pelayo to Habana. Habana, stop and pop. Miss. Rebound by Galang. Here comes one trading Abu Dhabi. A nice D for Protasio. Same ball. 16 to shoot. What a game! Apaka-intense ng laban. And a steal by Protasio. Here comes Bisnar. And we have a foul. Foul on jersey number number 21. It's your third personal foul, Sabrep. Number 21, tatlo ka na, sir. Pragados. Eight minutes, 57 seconds. May tawag tayo. What's the call, rep? It's away from the ball. Napakagandang laban. We have an unsportsmanlike foul for jersey number 16 of Team iJump Shubal. 3 minutes rest, Shubal Idol. Three minutes rest. 2 free throws will be given to jersey number 4 of Team 1 Trading Galang, and they will reward the ball also as well. He makes the first. Two for two. 8 minutes, 57 seconds. Aguila, guarded by Havana. Aguila fires, miss. Rebound by 1 Trading, Galang. Nakuha ni Salazar. Backcourt violation. Bisnar tries a long one, missed, rebound by Galang. Here comes Team 1 Trading Abu Dhabi. Aguila. Salazar, guarded by Collado. 10 to shoot. Rebound by Bisnar. Long pass to Protasio. Too much long, my friend. 8 minutes, 11 seconds. Aguila has the ball. Pass to Pragados. Pragados, guarded by Bisnar. Almost a steal. 10 to shoot. The steal. Here comes Havana. Havana to Collado. Fires. 2 points. Collado. 43-37. That's a 6-point lead. Galang, guarded by Pilayo. Almost a steal. They completed the steal. Here comes Pilayo. Pilayo fires. And one. Dol, check it mo, Dol. Basket count, foul number 4. Ilan score? Second personal foul, third of the team. 39-43, apat. There will be a chance na mabababa sa 3 ang lamang. He missed the bonus. 7 minutes, 18 seconds. Dol, kasita, supo lang, Dol. Aguila, guarded by Havana. Aguila to Pragados, long 2, bang! 2 points, Pragados. 45-39, balik sa 6. Bisnar tries a long one, bang! 3 points, Bisnar. 45-42, napakagandang laban, palitan ng score. Galang, guarded by Pilayo. Galang, babawi. Wala. Rebound ni Collado. Here comes iJump. Collado to Pragados. Ay, Potassium lang, sorry. Pelayo, we have a call. It's a traveling violation. Sub rep, sub. 45-42, tatlo na lang. Apakagandang laban. 6 minutes 16 seconds sa ating third quarter. This is game 2 sa semifinals. Dito lang sa Just Feel. To shoot. Nakpil. Loses the handle. 5. 2 points. Ragalos. What a ball game. Palitan na score. Casitas miss. Rebound by Nakpil. Here comes one trading Abu Dhabi. Nakpil to Galang. Galang guarded by Casitas. 10 to shoot. 5. We have a call. Foul jersey number 8. Habana. Second personal foul. Second team foul, high jump. My whistle away from the ball. Okay, we have a double foul. Wearing jersey number 13 for one trading. And number 22, Bisnar for high jump. Bisnar, tatlo ka na. Tatlo na din ang... Tatlo pa lang, tatlo.
Tigtatlo pa lang sila.
10 to shoot, Aguila. 5. Nakpil for 3. Bang! Grabe yun! What a contested shot! Okay, we have a warning for technical. Nakpil for taking a foul. Collado babawi, miss this time. Rebound by Paga. Almost a steal. Same ball, 14 to shoot. 14 seconds to shoot. Bisnar drives. 10. Protasio. 5. Good yan. Upo lang tayo mga sir. Upo lang tayo. May call na po. May call na. Upo lang tayo. Upo lang tayo mga player ha. Upo. What? A game. Game 2. ng CBD League Finals dito sa Just Feel. May one win na po dito yung I-Jump. Pag manalo yung one trading, doon tayo sa kanilang home court sa Game 3. Apakagandang laban, apakainit na laban. Lamang po ang one trading ng 8 points. Third quarter na po tayo, 4 minutes and 20 seconds. Game 2 po ito, lamang po ng 1 win ang I-Jump. We have a regular foul, number 24, Protasio. So, bola po tayo ng one trading. Ano? Port pa lang, sir. Port. Kayo yung port po. Kakalagay ko lang, kakalagay. Si Protasio, 24 ba yun? Hindi ko na alam. 22? Ha? 20. Pragados. Guarded by Bisnar. 10 to shoot. Pragados for 3. He missed. Offensive rebound ng one trading. Here comes Galang. Galang drives. Loses the handle. 5 to shoot. Collado. And a steal. Turnover. Aguila. Loses the ball. Pass number 13. And we have a call. 3 seconds violation. Pomondo si Sir sa gitna. 3 minutes 40 seconds sa ating third quarter. Bola tayo ng I-Jump. Casitas. Turns. Kick out to Bisnar, long two, air ball. Habana, missed the shot. Coach. Casitas, missed. Napunta yung bola sa one trading. Coach. Aguila has the ball. Guarded by Habana. 10 to shoot. Pragados. Drives, lays up, he missed, rebound by Casitas. Here comes Habana of Team I-Jump. Bisnar to Collado, miss the shot. Galang, what a pan from Galang to Pragados. Bisnar to number 8, 2 points. Number 8. Oh, 52-48, walo lang ang lamang ng one trading. 2 minutes 24 seconds. Galang drives. 10 to shoot. Nakpil for 3. Damn! 3 points. Nakpil. Shubal has the ball. 2 minutes sa ating third quarter. Shubal guarded by Galang. Shubal long 3. Wala. Rebound ni Nakpil. Foul on jersey number 8, Habana. Penalty na tayo, rep. Habana, second personal foul. Sorry, Casitas. Dalawa ka na. Sub, pasok. Penalty na po ang I-Jump. Warning na po ang one trading. So mag-foul kayo, sir. Matic, penalty na kayo. Nakmil make the first. 1 minute 52 seconds. Pang-apat ata. Pang-lima ba? Pang-apat ata. Super 2. 1 minute 52 seconds. 13 ang hinahabol ng I-Jump. Boss, coach. Collado. Fars. We have a call. Foul, jersey number 13. Hacking foul. Istura, warning for graduate. Penalty na po. Both teams. 2 free throws will be given to Collado. He missed the first. Crucial free throw. He makes the second. Split charity para kay Collado. 57-45. It's a 12-point lead. 1 minute 34 seconds. Almost a steal. Here comes Aguila. 10 to shoot. Galang lays it in. 59-45. 1 minute 20 seconds. Collado guarded by Aguila. Collado almost misses the handle. And we have a call. May foul na tayo. Foul jersey number 7. Blocking foul. Penalty rep. Number 7, it's your second personal foul. Both teams are penalty. He missed the first. 1 minute 9 seconds. Split charity, 59-46, 13-point lead. And a steal, here comes Gomez to Collado. Collado fakes, a nice defense. Here comes Galang. Galang, fires, miss. Nakuha ni Nakpil. Nakpil again! Miss! Bato rebound nakuha ni Gomez. Long pass to Collado. It's a 3-on-2. Collado to Papa. Papa to almost a steal. Shubal. Fake. 10 to shoot. Shubal to Papa. Reverse. 2 points. Papa. 24 seconds. We don't have a shot clock. We just have a game clock. 15. Aguila. We have a foul. Penalty na tayo, rep. Penalty. Casitas. Third personal foul. Two free throws will be given to jersey number 6, Aguila. Mukhang mapupunta tayo sa Abu Dhabi. Pag manalo ang one trading, may isang quarter pa para bawiin ng I-jump yung panalo. 12.6 seconds. Gomez to Casitas. 10. 4 seconds. 61-48. Nabigay na doon, nabigay na. Galang. And that's it para sa ating third quarter. Magkakaalawan sa last quarter. Pupunta pa tayo ng Abu Dhabi. Tatapusin na ng I-jump. 13-point lead. Grabe yung laban. This is game 2, Save Me D-League. One trading versus I-jump. Lamang po ng one game yung I-jump dito. Pag manalo yung one trading, lilipat po tayo sa Abu Dhabi para sa game 3. Back to the ball game for the last and final quarter. Mahahabol pa kaya para tapusin ang I-jump o dadalhin tayo ng one trading sa game 3 dun sa Abu Dhabi?
Okay, welcome back. Jazzville is here. Last quarter na mga ka-Jazzville TV. Eto na, malalaman kung makakarating pa tayo ng Abu Dhabi next week.
Galang,
o
has the ball.
tatapusin ba ng I-jump to?
Guarded by Shubal. Wala.
Pelayo.
Rebound ni Bisnar.
Ito, Bisnar. Nagdadalawahan.
We have a
Grabe,
foul.
ulitan dito mga ka-Jazzville TV.
Foul on jersey number 9. 9. Second personal foul. First team foul. 9 minutes and 43 seconds. Pelayo to Protasio. Protasio tries a long one. Bang! 3
Protasio.
points. Protasio, 10 na lang. 61-51, 9 minutes, 43 seconds. Galang. Salazar, 10 to shoot. 5. Umabot, sir. Umabot. Sakto lang.
Salazar!
Hindi nagbaser.
3 points!
Salazar.
He
missed the shot.
Bakit
Hindi nagbaser? Hindi nagbaser ako. Hindi narinig ko.
Mga ka-Jazzville.
Binaser ko, hindi nagbaser eh.
Grabe yung labang ito. Galang.
Dito ko nga. We have a call.
Line violation.
Wala tayo ng high jump. Sub. Komite sama mo lang.
8 minutes and 57 seconds mga ka-Jazzville.
Wait. Wala. Alright.
Okay, back to the ball game tayo mga ka-Jazzville.
8 minutes 57 seconds. Shubal has the ball. Guarded by Nakpil. Shubal, crossover. 10 to shoot. Bisnar
Yes,
to
now!
four.
One a shot to Bisnar.
64-53.
Lumalapit na, 11 points na lang ang kalamangan.
Salazar has the ball. Guarded by Culiado. Nakpil, 10 to shoot. Pragados,
Seven.
Resident Jimenez. Rebound by Culiado. Long pass to Protasio. Sa baba pa lang daw. Foul on jersey number 9. Illegal surrender. Sub-rep, 3 ka na nakpila. Ilang team foul? 2. Second team foul, 1 trading. Bisnar has the ball. Bisnar for 3. Malakas. We have a call. Tumapak na daw. Si Pelayo. 64-53. 11 na lang. From 13 points na lamang. While we start the fourth quarter. Here comes Aguila. Aguila. To Pragados. Aguila, long two. Miss. Rebound by Protasio. Protasio lays up 2 points. 64-55. Siyam na lang. Boss. Aguila. To Galang. Aras by Protasio. 10 to shoot. Now we have a call. Okay, out of bounds. So, bola tayo ng high jump. Sub tayo, Pragados in. Nakpil out. 7 minutes, 20 seconds. Ating last in final quarter. High jump. It's a 9-point lead 7 minutes and 20 seconds. Malalaman ang resulta na yan. Protasio. Guarded by 10 to shoot. Subal for 3. Airborne. 7 minutes, 2 seconds. Aguila, guarded by Protasio. Pass to Fragados, guarded by Subal. Almost a steal. They completed the steal. Here comes Bisnar. What a pass and one! Basket count, foul, jersey number 11, pushing foul. Number 11, second personal foul, third team foul, 1 trading, Abu Dhabi. Gumaganda yung laban. We have 6 minutes and 45 seconds. Malalaman natin kung dadalhin tayo ng Abu Dhabi ng 1 trading Abu Dhabi or tatapusin na ng high jump. Pasok yung bonus. 64-58. Fragados drives and a steal by Collado. Here comes high jump. Collado fires, missed the shot. Bola tayo ng 1 trading. 6 minutes 30 seconds. Boss. Aguila. Salazar. Guarded by Collado. 10 to shoot. We have a call. Foul on jersey number 10. Number 10, warning for graduate. It's your 4th personal foul. First team foul, high jump. 64-58, anim. Fragados to Galang. Galang to Fragados. Parsing miss. Collado. Stop and pop. Wala. 6 minutes. Aguila has the ball. 14 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Fragados. 5. Good basketball. Galang fakes. 10 to shoot. Nag-time out siya. Offensive foul on jersey number 11 for using legal elbow. Nag-time out muna siya bago siya pumasok. Nag-time out na ako. Technical niya. Pero nag-time out na siya bago siya pumasok. Nag-time out na siya bago siya pumasok.
Time out.
Ha? Nag-time out siya bago siya pumasok.
Yung mga players, magsitabi lang po tayo.
Time out! I-charge mo yung time out ha. I-charge mo yung time out.
Good call.
Kalma lang tayo mga sir. Kalma lang tayo. 64-58. Time out po ang 1 trading. Nag-time out muna siya bago siya pumasok.
Referee. Dito kayo lumamit. Huwag kayo dyan.
Nag-time out siya bago siya pumasok. Warning bench of Team 1 Trading. For
Sa kanya, tignan mo, tatlong polo ko, isa pa lang sila.
Go back to your bench. Nag-time out na nga, nag-time out na. Na-award na yung boss, ha? Nag-time out bago siya pumasok.
Iwan nila, best of all.
Waringan mo. Bench reform, di ba? Reform, Ben? Improper decorum. Okay, warning tayo. Bench ng 1 Trading for improper decorum. Okay, bola tayo ng eye jump. 5 minutes, 30 seconds. Nag-time out siya bago siya pumasok. Lumapit siya, nag-time out, tapos pumasok. Dead ball naman kasi. Let's go! 64-58. 5 minutes, 30 seconds. Pilayo. Guarded by Galang. Pilayo to Protasio. 10 to shoot. 5. 5 seconds to shoot. Good basketball. 5 minutes, 5 seconds. 64-58. Coach. Here comes Aguila. Guarded by Shubal. 5 minutes. To shoot. Galang! Three! Bisnar drives, fires 2 points. Bisnar. 67-60. Pito. Aguila has the ball, guarded by Shubal. Almost a steal. Salazar missed the shot. Here comes Shubal. Shubal to Bisnar. Bisnar! And 1! Foul jersey number 11. Number 11, warning for graduate. And 14 foul, 1 trading. Sa pasok. Four minutes, 6 seconds. 67-62. It's a just 5-point lead para sa 1 trading. Gumaganda habang lumalalim. Wala yung bonus. It's a 5-point game. Shubal for 3. Binaba sa dalawa. 67-65. And we have the foul. Foul on jersey number 20, Protasio. Blocking foul. Second personal foul. Second team foul. High jump. Sub rep. Salazar out. Triggerman in. 14 to shoot. Salazar has the ball. 10. 5. And we have another foul. Foul on jersey number 16. Holding foul. Shubal, it's your second personal foul. Sub rep. Third team foul. High jump. 2 free throws will be given to Galang. Napakagandang laban. Dalawa na lang. 67-65. Galang makes the first. 3 minutes and 33 seconds sa ating last and final quarter second. Game 2 ng Simidilig. Pupunta ba tayo ng Abu Dhabi o tatapusin na ng Here comes Galang. Nakpil. Nakuha ni Bisnar. Long pass to Subal. Subal for 3. Miss. Protasio. Pilayo. For 3. Wala. Tapikan. And may tawag tayo. Foul on jersey number 15. Number 15, second personal foul. Penalty na po ang One Trading Abu Dhabi. Coach John, basket timeout ha, basket timeout. Cancel. 2 free throws will be given to jersey number 10. Collado. I jump. You have 3 timeout. 1 trading, 2 timeout. Crucial free throw para kay Collado. He makes the first. 3 minutes, 3 seconds sa ating last and final quarter. Pupunta ba tayo ng Abu Dhabi o tatapusin na ng high jump? Last crucial free throw para kay Collado. Super 2! 1 point ball game! 1 point ball game! We have a good ball game here in Asma. Bragados lazy team. Timeout! 70-67. 3-point lead. 1 trading. 2 minutes 52 seconds ating last and final quarter. Woo! Apakagandang laban. Dalawa na lang yan. Ay, sorry, tatlo. Tatlo lang ang lamang ng 1 trading. 13 po yan kanina. What an exciting ball game! 1 trading versus I jump game 2 ng Simi Dilig. Back to the ball game for the charge. Timeout.
Alas sa apat. Balik ka.
Collado. To Bisnar. Bisnar to Protasio. And they steal the ball. 2 minutes 35 seconds. Another steal. And we have a call. Foul on jersey number 17, Pilayo. Holding foul. First personal foul. Warning for penalty. High jump. Aguila has the ball. Guarded by Protasio. Ten to shoot. Salazar for 3. Air ball. 2 minutes 13 seconds. Both teams sigdadalawang timeout. Both teams sigdadalawang timeout. Bisnar has the ball. Bisnar guarded by Pragados. Bisnar powering his way. Protasio fakes. 10 to shoot. Protasio fires. He missed. Last 2 minutes. Aguila to Nakpil. Nakpil lays it in. 2 points. Shubal has the ball. Shubal drives. Shubal fires. And another block. Alright, we have a review. 1 minute 34 seconds, 72-67.
Ha? Expected na kasi championship eh. Review, how to bounce ang high jump, bola ng 180.
Alright, upon the view, out of bounds, high jump, ball goes to One Trading Abu Dhabi. 1 minute 34 seconds.
Diba, Rai? Sa tingin mo, tatago ko ba o ano?
Coach, ayaw kita. Nakpil to Aguila. And they have the seal, 1 minute 27 seconds. Shubal fakes. Shubal fires. Bang! Time out! One Trading. Score natin, 72-70. Grabe yung laban. Grabe yung laban. Pupunta ba tayo ng Abu Dhabi para sa Game 3 o tatapusin na ng high jump? It's just a 2-point game. 1 minute 21 seconds sa ating last and final quarter. What a ball game! This is Game 2 Finals sa ating CBD League. Walang iba kundi dito lang sa Jasbil. Okay, dalawang timeout sa high jump, isang timeout na lang ang One Trading Abu Dhabi. 14 to shoot ang One Trading Abu Dhabi. Aguila. 10 to shoot. And a counter steal. And we have a foul. Foul, jersey number 20, pushing foul. Number 20, Protasio, it's your third personal foul. Both teams on the penalty.
Technical mo!
Crucial free throws para kay Galang. Crucial free throws. Pasok yung una. He missed the second. Patigatis on this. 10 to shoot. 5. And we have a foul. Who's fouled? Foul, jersey number 15. Number 15, it's your third personal foul. Penalty ref. Both teams are on the penalty. I jump, 2 timeouts, 1 trading, 1 timeout. Crucial free throws para kay Bistar. He missed the first. Timeout. It's just a 1 possession game, 49.9 ang natitira sa last of final quarter. Bistar! He missed! We will have a review. 73-70, 48.1 seconds to be exact sa ating last of final quarter. What a crucial free throw na mintis doon ni Bistar para sa I-jump. Magkakalaban. Game 3 ba sa Abu Dhabi? O tatapusin ang I-jump sa loob ng 48.1 seconds. Wala boss eh. Uhaw na nga ako. Ako din uhaw na. What a ball game! It's just 1 possession lead at 73-70. Tatlo lang yan. 48 seconds magkakalaman. Lilipat ba tayo? O tatapusin na?
Upon review, last touch ng I-jump bula ng 1 trading.
Alright, upon the review, last shots, I-jump. The ball goes to 1 trading Abu Dhabi. 48 seconds. Boss, upo tayo boss. Boss, upo tayo, hindi natin nakikita. Baka magkamali ito. Nakpil for 3. He missed. Here comes Culiado. Pass to Pilayo. Pilayo to Shumal. Shumal tries a long one. He missed. Time to shoot! Foul on jersey number 05. Pero si ano eh?
Foul din lang eh.
Koy, sinong foul, Koys? 20? Kaya nga, nag-5 to shoot ako eh. Sub, rep, sub. 26 seconds, bola nila, natira. Binigyan ko nga ng 5 seconds to shoot, di ba? He makes the first! Mukhang lilipat tayo ng Abu Dhabi. 6 seconds, basket timeout, Repa. Basket timeout. Dol! Super chill! Time up! Mukhang lilipat tayo sa Game 3. Pupunta tayo ng Abu Dhabi. Sinakpil. Oo. What a F-ball game! 76 minutes. Upo tayo, jump, sir. Upo, hindi ko nakikita dyan banda, sir. Upo tayo, upo. Bisnar. Tusyubal. For 3. Bang! 0.7 seconds. Time up! Sayang! Yun sana yung kanina, mag-overtime pa. 73.7 seconds. Kayo wala lang kayong timeout, sila na lang. What a ball game! Grabe! Grabe na to! Alright! Last 0.7. 7/10. And that's it. Congratulations! We have a Game 3 in Abu Dhabi. What a ball game!